this fragile world, people carry burdens still. Sometimes I stand at the doorway and whisper, do I have the strength for this path?
And when our words are breaking, when we can't see how to go on, Jehovah stands beside us gently and says, I am here. I see you, I understand.
He knows the tears we never show. He hears the silence between us, and in the deepest shadows He lights a flame that starts to burn again. Love builds a home, a place that grows stronger in the storm. Whoever walks in Jehovah's wisdom, their hearts stay strong through troubled times. And when life tries to push us down, His love will lift us up. With Jesus' help we carry on, and His light leads every one of us home.
There are moments when we fail, too loud, too tired, too worn to stand. I tried so hard to hold it together, but sometimes I simply wasn't there. So many times I wondered, is love enough when wounds felt deep and hard to heal? But Jehovah said, I'll make you whole with my hand, with my spirit.
When roads turn rough and heavy, He carries what we cannot bear. And when the heart can barely trust, He is the God who holds us close and unites us.
For all the families under heaven, for every heart that longs for peace, Jehovah sees you deep within and loves you more than you believe.
He gathers tears in silent nights. He hears the prayers without a sound. He holds the world with gentle hands
Through His Spirit,
through His Son.
for all who still are searching, for hearts without a place to rest,
Jehovah calls you softly, come closer, I am here for you.
there is only one true fountain where lasting peace begins, and those who come to know Jehovah will find a love that never ends.
Love builds a home that keeps on standing through the storms. Whoever lives in Jehovah's wisdom, their heart will never fall. Together we keep growing. With Jesus' help we carry on, and we become part of the light that drives away all darkness. And when your heart grows weary and feels too tired to hope, Jehovah lays His peace upon you like a blanket over your home. You are not alone, not today, not ever, for where Jehovah